Hi, welcome to 247 Tech. In this video, we are going to do the review of this Levoit ultrasonic humidifier that is filled from the top. This is the model Dual 100. Let's get started with this. As you can see, I bought this on January 29th, 2020 at $80, $29.99. It is sold on Amazon US for $50. And still there is at the moment there is a 5% coupon that you save. This is the package from Amazon. And this is how it is shipped. Now let's open it. So small quick starter guide. About correct assembly, there is a small note. This is the actual, and these are extra the documents, nothing else. And this is the manual. Nice, simple, clean manual. I like it. We have to remove this, making sure that this is the mechanism that allows the water to go as needed. So when you insert this, there's a small dot, you align it with this, insert, and then just put this here. Now side we have this sleep mode, power, and the 3 LEDs, power cable, and nothing else. Here are the electrical characteristics. Operates with in Canada and US. It operates with 100 to 120 volts, 60 hertz. The power that it needs is 24 watts, and the water tank capacity is 1.8 liter. And with this amount of water, it can run between 8 to 20 hours, depending on how you set it. And noise level, it has to be tested less than 28 dB. And effectiveness, they say that range, it's the area that it can cover. This is also incorrect. It should be volume, not area. 10 to 24 meters square. So the size is 7 by 7 by 10.6 inch, or 17.6 times 17.6 by 27.1 centimeter. I have a scale here. Let me put this, turn it on, and let me put it. With this wire, it is 1.18 kilogram or 2.6 pounds. When you fill it up with water, there we have a sign here where it says max. So that's the maximum that you can fill up. Now I'm pouring some water here. And now let's turn it on. Right now it's at full mist. This is now off. When you press it, this is the minimum. Press it again, medium, and that's the maximum. When you want to go to sleep, you press this. The mist goes to 60% of relative humidity level, and just leave it and go to sleep. Now, because you go to sleep, all the lights are also off, but it is currently operating. This is now at 60% relative humidity, and it is on sleep mode. So I'm turning it around so you can see it here. To get it out of sleep mode, just press the power again, and it goes to maximum. Again, now it's off. I'm pressing it now. This is level 1. As you can see, it's very minimum. And press it again. That's a second level started. And this is now from the top view. Let me turn it off. Now it is off. It is at level 1, 2, 3, very intense. That is now the maximum. And now this is the view from the top. This is at the maximum. If I go turn it off, this is now off. If I press it once, now this is at minimum. Press it again. Now it has increased. This is now at medium. If I press it one more time, then it goes at the maximum. Now it's maximum. It takes up to 1.8 liter or 0.48 gallon of water, and very compact to move it. Definitely recommend it. Let's see. This is how it blinks, showing you that there is no water. Thanks for watching. This was how to use this top fill ultrasonic Levoit humidifier. If you learned something and found it useful, please thumb up, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. If you have comment or question, post it in the comment section below this video. I try to answer and reply. And make sure to subscribe so you get updates of my upcoming videos.